Today I'll show you an insane color grading trick in Camera Raw. It's super easy. Download this image from the link in the description below. First, let's duplicate this image. Then right-click and convert it into a smart object. Next, go to the Filter menu and select Camera Raw Filter. I usually start by lowering the highlights slightly to bring back details, and then I increase the shadows. If you hold the Shift key, these sliders switch to Auto. Once you click on them, it automatically sets the whites and blacks for you. You can always take it further, however you like. Here's the before, here's the after. Now, if we increase the saturation in the color section, it can easily overdo the skin tones. I'll show you how to boost colors without affecting the skin. Go to the mask section and click on the background. Scroll down and adjust the saturation from here. Already looking fantastic. You can also add a color to the background by clicking here. Pick any color you like. I love this green. You can decrease the saturation if needed and hit OK when you're done. You can also play around with the tint and temperature to make the image look fantastic. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Now, let's go to the Edit section and select the Curves module. Click here so we can adjust it freely. Drag the point on the right slightly to the left to brighten the highlights, and move the left slider a little to the right as well. Next, select the color mixer, and let's adjust the green tones in the image. You can move the sliders around and see what looks best to you. Now, open the color grading module. All I'm going to do here is add some warm highlights. Just drag the center point toward the color you want. I'm making mine a bit warmer, and instantly the image looks so much better. Now, select the Detail module, and let's add some sharpening to the image while reducing the noise a little. Here's the before, here's the after. When you finish, press OK. This is how it looked before, and look at it now with the color grading. Much cleaner and more vibrant. And you can always double-click here to readjust the colors anytime you like. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.